Assalamu alaikum. My name is Dr. Abdul Wahab. Uh, it is Drug Act 1967, section number 23. Today we will try to discuss about the section 23, 24, and 25. So 23 is related to function of Prevention Council. So the Prevention Council, the function of Prevention Council shall be to prepare subclass number A, to prepare and maintain registers of pharmacist and apprentice in pharmacy. And apprentice says in pharmacy. Class B, to register pharmacist and grant certificates of registration. Class C, to conduct examination for the purpose of registration as a pharmacist. And Clause D, to do such other acts and things as it may be empowered or required to do by this act. These are the function of the Provincial Council of Pakistan according to Pharmacy Act 1967, section number 23. Section number 24, preparation and maintenance of registers. Subsection number 1, the provincial council shall prepare or cause to be prepared and maintain the following registers of pharmacists and apprentices for the province, namely: Clause A, Register A, in which shall be registered the person specified in Clause A of subsection number 1 of section 25. In our next section, we will discuss all about this thing. Section number B, clause number B of section number 24, subsection number 1. Register B, in which shall be registered the person specified in Clause B and C of the said subsection. And C, Register C, in which shall be registered the apprentices in pharmacy, provided that the provincial council may, with the previous approval of the provincial government, discontinue the registrations of apprentices in pharmacy and may, with like approval, reopen such registration after it has been discontinued, and shall, upon the discontinuance or reopening, published in the official gazette a notice therefore specifying the date of such discontinuance or reopening. Subsection number 2, every register prepared and maintained under subsection number 1 shall include the following particulars relating to a person registered, namely: full name, residential area, residential address, C, professional address, father name, date and place of birth, F, nationality, qualification, date on which registered, and such other particular as may be prescribed by bylaws. Section number 25, qualification for registration as a pharmacist or as an apprentice in pharmacy. Subsection 1, the following persons shall, subject to the provision of subsection number 3, be qualified for registration as pharmacist under this act, namely: clause number A, person who hold a degree in pharmacy conferred by university or any institution affiliated thereto, where the degree is recognized by the council. Clause number B, persons who hold a diploma in pharmacy granted by any institution recognized by the central council. C, person who passed the examination in pharmacy held by pharmacy council. Subsection 1A, subject to the provision of section number 3, during the period of 1 year from the commencement of the Pharmacy Amendment Act 1973, A person who was on the 19th day of June 1972 to be deemed to be qualified for registration as a pharmacist shall be deemed to be so qualified. Subsection number 2. The following person shall, subject to the supervision of subsection number 3, be qualified to be registered as a apprentice in pharmacy, namely an inspector of drugs and government analyst, appointment under this Act 1976, if not otherwise eligible for registration. 2. A person certified by a government hospital to be qualified compounder and dispenser. Number 3. A person who has been taken as a student or apprentice in pharmacy by and produces a certificate to that effect from a pharmacist registered in Register A and approved for the purpose by notification in the official gazette by the provincial government. And 4. A person who is a qualified person within meaning of the rules 65 of the West Pakistan Drug Rules 1958, if not otherwise eligible for registration. Subsection number 3. No person shall be qualified for registration as a pharmacist or as an apprentice in pharmacy, class A, if he is of unsound mind and stands so declared by court, or if he has been convicted by court of any offense which in the opinion of the provincial council involves moral turpitude. Thank you so much. It was all about the section number 23, 24 and 25.